In this video, I'm going to show you why you should pour Red Bull in your toilet. You're probably familiar with the refreshing taste of Red Bull. It tastes just like sweet tarts. This energy drink comes in a variety of flavors as well as sugar-free. It also pairs well with a variety of alcoholic beverages, non-alcoholic beverages, and you guessed it, toilet water. Red Bull can make your toilet sparkle. The reason this works is because Red Bull contains citric acid. It's used as a preservative in the drink, but in this case, we're going to use it as a cleaner. Citric acid is well known for killing bacteria, fungi, and mildew, which makes it great for sanitizing and cleaning. It removes hard water stains, calcium deposits, soap scum, lime, and rust. All you need is one little 8.4 ounce can. Pour it directly into the toilet bowl. Try to get as close to under the rim as possible. Any can of Red Bull will work regardless of the flavor. I just prefer the original. I also recommend adding a bit of baking soda to the toilet with the Red Bull to give this solution a turbo boost of cleaning POW WOW. From this point, allow it to sit and dwell for 30 minutes, or if the toilet is utterly filthy, you can leave it sit there overnight. In the morning, after the dwell time has elapsed, grab your trusty toilet brush and scrub the inside of the bowl thoroughly, and you will have a pearly white toilet bowl that you cleaned with Red Bull and baking soda. If you want to know why you should put expired aspirin in your washing machine, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.